Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Escape airbag light on issue and the likely reasons behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. An airbag warning light illuminated in the Ford Escape is commonly described as the indicator staying on after startup, appearing intermittently while driving, or turning on without any noticeable change in vehicle operation. Verified technical service information and reviewed automotive safety documentation indicate that airbag warning behavior can occur across multiple Ford Escape model years, with relevance depending on restraint system design, sensor inputs, and control module monitoring. This issue does not affect all vehicles equally, and applicability varies by configuration. One verified cause involves sensor or circuit monitoring irregularities. The airbag system continuously checks sensors related to crash detection and restraint readiness, and any signal outside expected parameters can trigger the warning light. Another confirmed cause relates to wiring or connector integrity. Loose connectors, wiring strain, or corrosion in circuits connected to airbags, seat belt pretensioners, or sensors can interrupt communication and activate the warning indicator. Restraint control module evaluation behavior is also a documented factor. The module monitors system readiness, and stored fault conditions or communication interruptions can cause the light to remain on until properly diagnosed and cleared. Seat occupancy or position sensing behavior is another verified consideration on applicable configurations. Inconsistent input from these systems can affect how the airbag system evaluates deployment readiness. Battery voltage or electrical supply stability is an additional confirmed aspect. Low system voltage or recent battery disconnection can temporarily affect module communication and trigger warning indicators. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include recent interior repairs affecting wiring, temperature-related electrical behavior, or calibration events following service. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions described in professional service guidance include scanning the restraint system for diagnostic fault codes, inspecting wiring and connectors, verifying sensor input signals, checking battery and charging system health, and addressing any stored faults according to manufacturer procedures. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Reviewed diagnostic trends indicate that many Ford Escape airbag light concerns are resolved through wiring repair, sensor correction, or system recalibration rather than airbag replacement. Outcomes vary by model year, restraint system configuration, and vehicle condition. In conclusion, Ford Escape airbag light on concerns are typically linked to sensor monitoring behavior, wiring or connector issues, control module evaluation logic, occupancy sensing input, or electrical supply stability. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.